So when we're dealing with threats at work, and I say threats kind of like that because threats could just be, I've got 50 emails to answer. We know rationally that this isn't a threatening situation. But if I'm activating stress, my brain will see it as a threat. When we're dealing with that, what happens is we start to change how we operate in our brain. So stress isn't just this kind of external physiological, oh, I get exhausted, my heart races, I feel tired. Stress doesn't just change your physiology, it changes your psychology. It changes how you think. Now, as soon as we've activated that stress response, we go into more tunnel vision thinking. So we disengage our prefrontal cortex. And so we stop being very good at critical thinking. So we're not good at seeing the bigger picture. And we go into very narrow thinking, like I've only got to deal with this threat. We start to make decisions in a very black or white binary way. So we don't necessarily see the full consequences of our decision other than, does this alleviate the stress right now? We make quicker decisions. We become super reactive. And this is really interesting for everyone in this room, the more stressed we have, the more we struggle with empathy. So our ability to empathize with others becomes really diminished the more stressed we are.